In today's video, I wanted to tell you how to understand the tremolo harmonica and how to start practicing in this tremolo harmonica. This is also called as the 24-hole harmonica, but actually it has 48 holes. But how you can consider is think of a chromatic harmonica. It has 12 holes. Without the pressing of the button, in normal condition it has 12 holes. So that 12 holes the same as the tremolo harmonica. So each 4 holes in tremolo harmonica does the work of a single hole in the chromatic harmonica. So if you see 48 holes in this harmonica, you can divide that by 4, so that makes it 12. So each 4 holes can produce one sound. If you blow, you can get one sound. If you draw, you get another sound. So each 4 holes can produce 2 sounds. If you consider the entire range of this tremolo harmonica, it can produce 24 sounds. First, this can play up to 3 octaves. Only 3 octaves is possible to play in any harmonica, either tremolo harmonica or diatonic or chromatic. Only 3 octaves you can play. Starting with C from here to here, you will have 1 octave. Here to here, you will have 2nd octave. Here to here, you have 3rd octave. So you can divide the harmonica into 3 equal parts, and that will produce 3 octaves. So that 3 octaves is more than enough to play any song. So that's sufficient. If you consider a guitar, for example, we'll say a bass guitar. Let's see how much octave we can play. This is the E note. That's 1st octave. This is 2nd octave. This is 3rd octave. That's all. 3rd octave and 1 or 2 notes more than 3rd octave is possible. So a bass guitar has the range only of 3 octaves. If you want to start practicing your harmonica, a tremolo harmonica, you have to blow approximately in those 4 holes. But even if you slightly miss that, it doesn't sound weird actually. It sounds nice. Initially, you can try practicing like that. And the second tip I can tell you is don't practice with C, C, D, D, E, E. Don't practice like that. Always learn or memorize a song with the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do pattern. What is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do pattern? It's also called as sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. If you interpret that do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do in the scale of C, so this harmonica is in the scale of C. If you interpret the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do in the scale of C, it will be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So that's how it works. So if you start from here, C, that is do, re, mi, fa, I will start here and I will play for you the 3 range of octaves, the 3 range of do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do for you to understand. So that's how you have to play the 3 octaves in the harmonica. So if you are starting to play a song, start to practice or start to memorize the song in the do, re, mi, fa pattern. And so convert that C, C, D, D, E, B, just convert that into equivalent do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do pattern and memorize in do, mi, so, fa, like that. So if you learn in that manner, you can play any harmonica. So if you get the C harmonica, that pattern is applicable here. If you take the D harmonica, you can play the same song in the D harmonica as well. If you play the song in C, C, D, D, the C will be different in a D harmonica. It is difficult to interpret that and understand that. For the initial stage, that will be very easy for you to pick up the song and understand. Check the link in the description, you will find my website. I have few songs with harmonica tabs written on my website. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you back in another video.